Hey, what's up guys, it's Quiz. Welcome back to the channel. So today, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna change the exhaust on my bike.
I'll be that. He's your motherfucker. Muchos what I'm repping.
So what we're gonna put on today is gonna be these Vance and Hines. These quad pipes, slip-ons. Got them off Fort 9, you know what I'm saying? So let's install this baby and see how she sounds. But first off, I want to remember how it used to sound stock. You know, give you guys too what it sounds like stock, and then we'll do a video on how it sounds like with these bad boys. Let's get right into it. Start. Now let's rev it up a bit and hear it for one last time on the stock pipes. So we got a little taste of what these pipes sounded like before, and now we're gonna change them up. Let's hope it sounds freaking amazing. So we just finished putting the exhaust on the bike, and it's looking hella fucking sexy, bruh. Let's start it up. Next, this bike needs the vibranium. Try it on the street, and Mango is gonna film my ass. Oh. Alright, bless. Woo! Fuck, it's cold, bro. Oh, shit. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned from the installation of the exhaust. You guys will hear drive-bys, probably when the weather becomes better, obviously. But for now, we ain't go ride. Thank you again for watching. Peace.
I be that Asian motherfucker, muchos what I'm repping. Though I'm not the killer, but this beast that I be killing. The flow that I be spitting. Mellow voice when I'm sweet talking to your bitch. Smoking, drinking with the homeboys in this bitch. Spark up, get high, blush up my eyes. Time just fly by.